I'm Nancy, and a lot of people have asked me to sing lately, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and get it over with. So I'm gonna sing "Dreamer" by Ghost Town. So here we go. If I die before I shine, oh, my soul will finally find a heart that beats as fast as mine, and search for something worth my time. A place to run, a place to hide from all the mess I've left behind. This occasion calls for something more than just another washed up, broken-hearted lie. This occasion calls for something more than just another waste of all that time. And she's so hard to find, and I think about her all the time. Ain't nothing to us lately. That's all I'm gonna sing, and I messed up so much. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I messed up so much. Anyway, bye.